Now we're going to discuss how to get up to the roof, just in case, to make sure that you're being safe enough to get up on the roof. Here I have a ladder right at about 30 degrees of a pitch going up to the roof. It's steady. Both of the bottoms of the rockers on the ladder are stationary to the ground. It feels like the ladder is solid. Now, rather than climbing up there, most pool brushes are long enough. You can lean the pool brush against the house, and as you climb the ladder, once you're all the way up on top of the ladder, you can use the pool brush. We'll be using the pool brush to sweep things away from the house and clean the screen enclosure. Let's go do it. Hands over hand when you're going up on the ladder. Always try to keep both hands on the ladder. Careful where your foot's going. When you get to the top of the roof, make sure you use both hands all the way up. Don't take the early step, because that first step's a doozy.